Hello, welcome to Yoga with Aliona. My name is Aliona, and this is the YouTube channel that you can come to for tips, solutions, and practices for a happy, healthy, and vibrant lifestyle from the yogic perspective. Today, we're going to be looking at my absolute favorite posture. So if you need something to reset you, you feel a little bit lackluster, you've lost your vibrancy, you're tired, you need something to snap you back into the heart of you, the heart of the matter, get you inspired and feeling really good and alive, and you have just a few moments, you don't really feel like doing too much. This would be in between a nap and this. This is gonna be the best little mini reset nap, okay? So for this practice, you're going to need a bolster if you have one and a blanket. If you don't, you can also grab pillows from your bed, the long ones. Pretty super. Grab a couple of those, grab a blanket, maybe 2 blankets. Grab some items that you can get comfy on. And press pause, grab your things, and come on back. So welcome back, right into this posture. Let's look at the things we have here. So I'm going to use a bolster and a pillow. So I'm going to take my bolster and a blanket. I'm going to take my blanket and I'm going to put it just like that on my bolster. That's it, nothing too complex. And then I'm going to come over here. Might have to make a little bit more space, move this back a little bit. I'm gonna keep this really simple, okay? I'm gonna sit right next to the bolster, straighten my legs, and lie down. Just like that, that was it, okay? Make sure this blanket is next to the shoulders. Make sure your hair is in a good placement, and this blanket might need to be a little bit higher for you. You might need to double fold it. You kind of need to experiment which feels good for your head and your neck and your body, okay? But the shoulders are below the chest and the elbows are below your shoulders and the wrists are below the elbows and the palms are open, your feet are open. You know, I'm touching this blanket here, but you wouldn't be touching anything with your feet. And then just going to relax right here. You can also put the feet together and the knees apart. Okay? Gonna let you be there, and I'm going to chant for you a little bit while you enjoy this beautiful, beautiful place. Let yourself go into the earth, close your eyes. Place where the heart is lifted will bring you back. Your vibrancy, your energy will be the absolute best yoga nap. So a chant about the whole, coming back to the wholeness of you. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamodashyate Purnasya Purnamada Purnameva Vashishyate. Shanti, This is a great posture to stay. You can stay here for 5, 10, 15 minutes. Bringing the breath back into your body. Making some movements in the feet and the hands. Bending your right knee, placing the foot on the earth. Bending your left knee, placing the foot on the earth. And rolling over to your right side. Placing the hands on the floor and pressing up with your right hand, letting your head be the very last thing to rise. Thank you for coming and for joining us today. We hope you feel rested. We hope your heart feels light and happy. Have a very, very blessed day. And if you've subscribed, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. You'll get notices of new videos. And feel very welcome to subscribe to our mailing list. You'll get an awesome video about posture. We just love to share it with you. Namaste.